Me personally, I've been back 3 years now. I'm going into my 4th year. So I've come back to join my dad with a family business. But we've been in the potato game now for about 25, 26 years. Yeah, it's a difficult question. No, I must say it's a very dynamic industry with a lot of moving parts. So I think for me, what's quite nice is it's not a slow-paced thing. It's something that changes every day, every year. There's a lot to learn and there's a lot to improve on, which is actually really nice. No, I think potato farmers are generally given a bit of a bad rap. They think we're killing the soil and killing the animals and all of that. But I think everyone's trying to now do everything a lot more conservatively, a bit more not so off-label, if I can call it that, with better use of chemicals and more precision and that. And I think there's been a huge shift from, if you look 30, 40 years ago, with the amount of volumes of chemical that was used to what's used now. So I think there's the safety around it and all of that's been a big emphasis. I think that's changed over the years, and it can be seen now, at least on the end produce. I think it's a lot safer to eat of a produce. Chips all day.
Yeah.